unit. I love how like this looks. Like this is such a look.
Roll your eyes, yeah. Take my advice, hey, live a better life. You got it made right now. You got it made right now.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Kai in the show, but you guys can call me Kai, like hi y'all. And today we'll be reviewing the Wiggins Hair 24-inch loose deep wave 13x4 HD lace unit in the 200% density and in a medium cap. So overall, I would say this hair is an 8.8. I think the curl pattern is really pretty. When I unboxed it, as you guys can see, and I bleached the knots in the next clip. Another reason why I give the hair an 8.8 is because it did have a strong smell, but in the unboxing, you'll see the unit, the edge brush, the wig cap, the wig band, the lashes, the elastic band, and here I am showing you the texture straight out of the bag, unwrapping it from the hairnet and just showing you the color. It's a natural brown color. I didn't dye this unit. And then I show you the quality of the HD lace, which is very nice and transparent. The hair was very, very soft and it wasn't shedding when it came straight out of the bag. As you can see, the curls are amazing. Like, look at how good that looks straight out of the bag. And this is me basically just going through the process of bleaching the knots. It was super easy to bleach the knots. I used your regular bleach. I got it from Sally's this time, and then I got a small 40 developer because I didn't realize that I still had a big one, and I did this as a very, very thick paste. I didn't show you guys. You'll see on my TikTok if you follow my TikTok. But anyways, I applied that bleach on there very quickly. I left it on for about 8 minutes, and it lifted very nice and quick, so I love that. You'll see how very pretty the curls was straight out the bag. I've been wearing this hair, testing it out for about a week. That's how I like to review my hair, just to make sure I really give you guys a very in-depth review. So I've installed this unit 3 times. So maybe I was wearing it more than a week, but I don't know. These days have just been blending together. However, I installed this 3 times. This is my 3rd time installing it. Ebin Spray, which did a very good hold on this new install. As you guys seen in the unboxing as well, there was an elastic band, and I put that on because at first I was going to do this as a glueless unit since the HD lace is so good. It is 200% density, so it is thicker in the frontal if you want a frontal that is pre-plucked. This one did come a little pre-plucked. Of course, I can go in and customize it some more. However, it's just very time consuming for me. I think this look is doable for the time period. But yeah, I did an elastic band on my hair or in this unit so I could try to attempt to do glueless, but didn't work out that way. And I also just like to have my wig secured on my head. So yeah. So with the new install that I just did, I have done this like half up, half down. I think the half up, half down looks are just super duper cute, and they're so easy to do. It's just a cute, like flirty, fun spring look. I live for the like messiness of it as well. And here I am just styling, doing the baby hairs and stuff of that nature to get it looking presentable. And if you guys are like into that hairstyle that was trending recently with like the claw clip, you can easily do that with this unit. This is like the perfect like springy summer, like, you know, just very cute, you know, edgy, still classy kind of vibe. I think this is very cute like this. I'm definitely gonna wear this out like this tomorrow or later today. I think it's very cute and natural, and I get a lot of compliments when I wear this hair like this. People come up to me and ask me what hair texture it is, and like I said, it's the loose deep wave, and you see it has a very natural, just very light and flowy curl pattern, which I really, really like. I love that this hair is lightweight. The only thing is, the reason why I give it an 8.8 is that this hair does shed. Now, it sheds quite frequently. It often gets caught on like my rings and just like the hang hairs gets caught on my rings, and that's not like ideal vibe for me. But that's one of the reasons why I would give it an 8.8 is because the shedding is a little excessive for my liking. However, I definitely love how lightweight it is. I love how flowy it is. It's just a very, very, very beautiful unit. And this is my first time like successfully doing it in half up, half down on a frontal unit. And I think it's to the HD lace on this unit. The HD lace is very sturdy yet very transparent, as you guys can see. I did bleach the knots. In this install, I did not put any makeup on the actual lace. I just put makeup on after. And what I mean by not putting makeup on the actual lace, like when I installed it, I didn't put makeup on the inside. I do have a wig cap on in the color like dark brown to match my skin color. And I just put a little makeup there. I also did a little makeup over here. But overall, it's a very, very seamless unit. I love how like this looks. Like this is such a look. It just looks very, very natural to me. And I love how lightweight it is. And like I said, the only thing is that shedding. But I really do like that Wiggins Hair gives you one of those headbands, as you guys can see when I was styling my hair. I love those wig bands. I really needed one of those because I just used like some scrap fabric. So now I have one to use. And they also gave us an edge brush. I believe I showed you guys in the unboxing. Mine looks a little gunky right now, so I won't be showing you. But overall, this is really, really great hair. I think this is great hair if you want like a temporary like vacation hair where you're okay with just getting it wet and enjoying your time. I think this is definitely a great unit. Also, if you have like any like, honestly, this is just an essential wig to have. You can never go wrong with having just a loose, deep wave texture hair, especially if it's 200% density, because that means it's going to last like a long, long time. And you see how it just caught on my rings just now? Yeah. But overall, the hair is good. And like always, I don't have the actual product right now, but in this little bottle, it is the Bio Silk Drops. And of course, I use that throughout my hair periodically. I think I finally said it right. I always say periodically long time because of that. Me.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
This is the Bio Silk Drops that I like to put in my curly or loose deep wave units to make sure they're moisturized and hydrated. So yes, overall, I think this is really, really nice hair. If you're looking for something to really give the girls springtime, edgy, trendy, vibey, girly, then I would highly recommend this 24-inch loose deep wave unit from Wiggins Hair in a 24-inch length and in the 13x4 HD lace frontal with 200% density and a medium cap. Also, I did not cut too much off of the lace. I do have a small head, as you guys can see, and I didn't cut too much off. It was a nice amount for me for it to be medium. I was expecting that I would have to cut more, but I'm happy I didn't. And let me just take this clip out really quick so you guys can just see what the hair gives. Cute, right? I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I think it's a cute little look. I think so. So if you're interested in this hair, I definitely would click the link in this bio. I'm not on Instagram. If you're interested in this hair, the link will be in the description box below. If you have any questions regarding like anything, girl, just drop a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I am a little busy, but I will try my absolute hardest to answer any questions that you guys have. And yes, this hair was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. Yeah, I should have said that at the beginning. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this little review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kylie Nashaya. Do you know your name? All right.